Hey guys, it's Eric here, and what I have in my hand is the smallest 4G LTE enabled smartphone in the world. This is the Unihertz Jelly Pro, and it was created by, in quote, a team of passionate designers devoted to a series of incredibly small but amazingly powerful smartphones. Thanks to the team for sending me a review unit. This color is space black, but it also comes in pearl white and sky blue variants. Let's get down to the specs. On the front, you have a 2.45-inch display with 240 by 432 resolution, which makes it a 16 by 9 aspect ratio. On the top of that display, you have a 2-megapixel fixed focus camera and speaker. Underneath the display, you have 3 capacitive buttons, including a home button that doubles up as your notification LED. On the back, you have an 8-megapixel autofocus lens with flash and speaker. When you pry out the back, you can see your tiny 950 mAh battery wrapped in plastic, and underneath your battery you have two 4G LTE ready nano SIM slots and your SD card slot, which holds up to 32GB of storage. On the left you have a volume rocker, on the right you have a power button and micro USB port. On the bottom you have a microphone. On the top you have a 3.5mm headphone jack. On the software side of things, you have a skin that's near stock Android 7.0 Nougat. You have about 10 gigs of usable storage out of 16 gigabytes. You get 2 gigabytes of RAM on the Pro version, which I have here. It is powered by MediaTek 6737 quad-core CPU, clocked at 1.1 GHz, and Mali T720 GPU. The Jelly Pro weighs in around 13.3 grams. It will easily fit in your pocket more snugly than nearly everything that goes into your pocket. Design-wise, its body is made from glossy plastic. It picks up fingerprints really easily, and it's nothing close to premium looking, but at this size, I don't really mind. Shortly after my unboxing, I got an update that added a navigation bar. I'm not sure why, but there's an option to hide it because it just takes part of your already minute display. The display is bright, has okay viewing angles, however YouTube videos are capped at 480p. Would anyone out there be using this guy for multimedia? Who knows, maybe. Typing on this screen requires a lot of precision and learning curve, but with the help of autocorrect and landscape mode, you would get through a full SMS or tweet without pulling your hair out. As for multi-touch, I actually tested this and surprise, surprise, 5 touch points. Pretty impressive. I wasn't expecting that. Even at that, when it comes to activities like gaming, it's best you play games that require a finger or two at most for practicality's sake. Your leisure games like Temple Run or Smash Hits run pretty smoothly. FM radio and touchlight are present. It also keeps track of your steps, which is nice. Phone calls are great. Speaker is all good, it doesn't sound tinny or muffled. About the camera, you get all your usual settings including panorama and beauty mode. It shoots videos in 1080p and even has EIS. Here are some sample shots that I took. The battery on this guy lasts about 3 hours screen on time, which cannot get you through a full day, maybe 9 AM till 4 PM ish on light usage. However, the battery is swappable, so you can pick up some extras and have them on the go. It takes about an hour and a half to charge from 0 to 100%. I think the Unihertz Jelly Pro is a bona fide low-end smartphone in a miniature frame. It's definitely an acquired taste, and I have put out some questions asking who this phone is meant for and gotten a lot of feedback. So if you need one of these, I'll be giving this one away. Just hit that Gleam link in the description box and follow the instructions. Unihertz Jelly Pro is priced at $124.99, which converts to 45,000 naira, and you can order one from www.unihertz.com using the link in the description. In the box, you get a specification manual, a film screen protector, and micro USB cable only, but you can pick up a bunch of accessories from Jumia. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and share it. You can follow me on Twitter or Instagram if you wish to see what I'm up to, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.